Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm going to share the recipe of pink tea or Kashmiri chai. Let's get into the ingredients. Ingredients include 2 tablespoons of tea leaves, baking soda half teaspoon, salt half teaspoon, cardamom green 2, badian flower 1, cinnamon stick half will be enough, water 750 ml, milk about 500 ml, crushed nuts about 2 tablespoons for garnishing. Let's get started. Now take a pan and fill it with 500 ml of water. Now add green tea leaves and let it boil. Add cardamom, cinnamon stick and badian flower too. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Color will take 20 minutes to release. Now add baking soda half teaspoon and salt half teaspoon. Mixing is very important for this tea making. Please mix rigorously with a ladle. After 20 to 25 minutes, add remaining water. This remaining water must be cold enough. Chilled water is better. Now mix again. Now again cook for another 10 minutes until the color completely releases to pink. You can save this water at this stage for making tea for another time. If you want to make the tea right now, please add milk and cook for another 5 to 6 minutes until boil. And you can see that beautiful pink color of the tea. You can add sugar at this point if you want. In the authentic recipe, you cannot add sugar. Let's pour the tea into cups for serving. Hot serving is very important for a better taste. Let's garnish it with dry crushed nuts, almonds or pista. The tea is ready. Serve it very hot. Thank you.